Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Calendar event from a record, in Copper. So first up, go ahead and click on a record type in here in the left panel under contacts, For example, people, leads, opportunities, something like that. Just click on it. Now go ahead and select the record where you want to create an event for, For example, this one right here. I'm just going to click on it, and the right panel or in the records profile, you can go ahead and find the calendar event section, which is basically located under these tabs, related. Click on it, scroll all the way down. You should be able to see calendar events. You can go ahead and click on the plus sign, and it will open up Google Calendar, or a Google Calendar view. Now it says here, meeting with Ryan Rebs. Now you can go ahead and change this title, Now select the date. Right here, click on it. For example, I will have a meeting in October 18, 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. That's fine. Go ahead and select the time zone if you want to as well. And then also you can go ahead and tick all day. If not, in here we have the drop down. Does not repeat or daily. It could be weekly. Well, does not repeat, as the meeting will just be available on this specific date. You can go ahead and add in some guests if you want to. Here you have the organizer, which is you and your client. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and add in some details if you want to, like add a location. If not, just leave it blank. Notification right here, it could be via email before a specific time. Now go ahead and select the specific calendar where you wanted to do it. Let's say under our Copper reminders right here. There you go. Select the color, maybe a red, busy, free, default visibility, public, private. It's up to you. Add in the description if you want to. If not, just leave it blank and then just hit on save. It says here we'd like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest. If you want to, you can go ahead and hit on send or don't send. Send right here. As you can see, we now have under. It should be under Copper reminder right here. I'm going to tick it. There you go. You have a meeting with Ryan Rebs. Click on it, and here you have the details. And that's basically it. That is how you create a Google Calendar event from a record in Copper CRM. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.